Okay, so let's talk now a little bit about the mode report, the last mode that the migration tool can be run. So we have here the mode report, which we can use. Okay, so to do that, we will need again the main command for the command line. Okay, and we just need to paste also the mode report from here, giving it the same path. Okay, and if you hit enter, then we can see again a report of the previous run. Okay, so there is also another mode which is called mode report detail, and in order to run that, we just need to add here also detail, mode report detail. Okay, and we can start again, and it will give us another report. Now, the thing here is that we cannot see we are not able to see multiple details of the reports because we don't have any major problems or errors. Okay, so that's why we cannot see here as many information. But as you can see, we have here already two links that will fail between a defect and a manual test, so we can see the details on each failed items. Okay, and now if we go back to the log, we can see that giving the same log path to the previous run, to the resume mode run, we can see that the log also itself got populated and in the same file. So we can see that after it was finished in the data mode, we ran it in resume mode, and if we go down to the log, we can see also that we started in the mode report and in report detail as well. Okay, so now another very useful thing is that the migration tool will also generate an HTML report, and you can find that HTML report in the folder log here and the folder HTML report. Okay, also you can see here details for each an HTML details for each entities. Okay, and if we open this one, index.html, okay, then we can see here a very useful report in an HTML format. Okay, so we can see multiple information, the ALM information, the ALM repository information, the Octane repository information with URL, with project domain and space and workspace for Octane. Also, we can see here the report. So we have requirement folders. We can see that, for example, there were a total of 6 number of them, and only 6 were success. And the same for requirement documents, for defects, and so on. So, for example, if we go to defects, we can click on defects, and it will generate us also a report with a lot more information, with the status of the entity, if it was successfully migrated, if it was failed, if it's pending. Okay, and also we can check that from the filter above: success, failed, and pending. Okay, also we can see the URL of the defect inside ALM, and the same for Octane side, the migration date, and also if we have some warnings for a specific defect. For example, for this one, we have a warning saying that the migration tool was unable to map a user. But this is not a problem because it was mapped to the default user setup in the user mapping file. Okay, and the same for each entities. Also, if we go here to source repository, we can find the QC one. Okay, and it will redirect us to the QC environment. Okay, if we go back, okay, we can see here the duration of the last run, the last data mode migration or resume mode migration, and also links to the migration log and configuration files. So if we open this one here, it will redirect us to the JSON configuration file. Okay, and the same goes for the other entities. For example, if we click here on total, we can see again for test the total number, the successed ones, which all of them were migrated successfully, and at failed we cannot see anything because all of the entities, all of the manual tests were successfully migrated.